y'all. So I was currently in the middle of unwrapping my hair, so I'm gonna unwrap my hair right now. This will be a really quick video. I just realized I didn't put my lip gloss on. Let me put my lip gloss on real quick. Okay, I had to put something on my lips because they feel dry. So yeah, I'm about to just unwrap my hair, which I haven't wrapped my hair in forever. And I'm looking over here because my mirror is right here, but the camera is right here in front of me. So I'm about to just unwrap my hair with a big tooth comb. It really don't have to be perfect when you unwrap your hair, because really we about to put it all up anyways. So yeah, my hair actually grew a lot. I got it cut in like, I think it was November. I got it cut in a blunt cut bob and it is already growing back. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm using or that you would need. You're definitely gonna need some heat protectant spray, and I got this kind right here, which I will still put in the description box below. And then I got some of this, y'all. It just smells really good and just make your hair kind of like shiny a little bit. And then of course a flat iron. It doesn't have to be a high tech flat iron. Last time I bought a high tech flat iron, y'all, you know, like in the mall, whenever those little shopping cart things that be in the middle of the mall, I bought a really expensive flat iron, y'all. Wasted my time is what I did, because the freaking flat iron broke within a year. So, and then when you go back, so I tried to go back, and when you go back, y'all, no, the whole freaking shopping cart is named something else. So now I just used a cheap little flat iron. So what I'm doing now is I'm parting my hair down the middle. If y'all could see, really, just part my hair down the middle. It don't have to go all the way back. And like I said, I'm using my mirror right here because I can't see the other way on this little camera. But yeah, so just part your hair kind of like in the middle, and then you're gonna take not a really small piece, y'all, but kind of like you're gonna make like a triangle pretty much. And it can be bigger than this. I'm just not gonna do nothing too big because, yeah. And then you wanna make sure this side is, why y'all gonna tell me this part was crooked? You wanna make sure this side is the same as the other side. Y'all, this is actually kind of harder than I thought it was gonna be, because my mirror is right here and it is annoying. Okay, so 2 pieces like this. Part it down the middle, 2 pieces. Okay, so then this part doesn't have to be completely perfect right now because we're gonna go in and fix it, but just pretty much put the rest of it in a ponytail for now. Two little small rubber bands that we're actually going to use. And I'm just gonna get these little pieces out of my face. Okay. All right. So now we're going to take our edge control. And like I said, I'm gonna put everything that I use in the description box too. I hope y'all can really see, because the way I'm doing this is so ghetto. Okay. So really I just put some around my edges. Actually, I want my part to go back a little. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my ponytail holder off, comb it through, and brush it. Okay, now that you got your ponytail, okay. So now that you got your ponytail, you're pretty much, we're gonna do like a little messy bun pretty much. So you really just take this part and you're just going to, how do I wanna do it? Do I wanna do it this way? So you're gonna take your ponytail and you're just gonna kind of wrap it around like that. And it might already just get messy by itself, or you can make it as messy as you kind of pretty much want. You just really gotta play around with it. Okay, so now this is where you're gonna take your rubber bands and you're going to just put it around your bun. It doesn't have to be really tight. You're just kind of really doing it like one time or two times, however many. And then when you put the second one on, you can make it even more messier. So you're really just playing around with it until your liking of your bun. I guess this is doable. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to take these little small pieces in the front with our heat protectant spray. So now we're going to take our flat iron, and I put it on the lowest heat because I am natural, so I don't want to burn my hair out. So you're going to take the flat iron like this, the piece of hair, and you're going to do it like this. Y'all, it look like my hair is burning, but it's really not, okay? And then you're just going to make your curl like that. I swear, like, flat iron, with the flat iron, I feel like my curls are better rather than with a real curling iron. I don't know why, but it does better. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side. Let me take our flat iron, and I'm trying to turn this way so that y'all can really see which way I'm turning the flat iron. And like I said, I'm not burning my hair out, y'all, so don't panic. Okay, let me do this one more time. You know, the last time I did my hair like this same side was giving me problems. I don't know why. Okay. There we go. So this is simple and cute. And like I said, you can still play around with your bun. You can even put more rubber bands or bobby pins on it. But I get a headache really easily, so I don't want to put too much stuff on there. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look right here. Very quick, very simple, and very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I see you guys on my next video.